Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to boost your engagement on Instagram. So this is very important because it allows you to get more organic followers and more traffic out there on Instagram, which then can help you build loyal followers. So the first thing that you want to do is post consistently. Now I know this is very obvious, but most people don't do it. Most people post whenever they want. Sometimes they post once a day, other times they post once a month, and your followers aren't going to like that. So the best thing to do is to schedule your posts. So how do you do this? You could use later.com. The other is Facebook Creative Studio. So for later.com, you just connect it straight to your Instagram account, and you can schedule your post there. But for Facebook Creative Studio, you need to connect your account to a Facebook page to be able to schedule posts on Instagram. So for later.com, you could only schedule 30 posts a month. But for Facebook Creative Studio, it's like unlimited, so you can schedule as much as you want. That's what I personally use, and it's working well for me. So the second thing that you want to do is engage with your followers. So what do I mean by engaging with your followers? What I basically mean is that you reply to their comments, you DM them when they DM you, just stuff like that, because it builds engagement and builds more trust with you and your followers. And then you say tag 3 people you know, they could tag 3 people they know, something like that, because you've already built that trust with them, so they really look forward to your posts and stuff like that. So how do you do this? So like I said, you just reply to comments, but don't just add emojis and say that's a reply. Actually type out something like a few words and send it to them, because this then builds more engagement, because let's say they have a question, they could type something else and then you'll keep replying, and this builds more and more engagement. And if people see that, they could also start asking questions and stuff like that, and it just builds engagement, and Instagram sees, oh, this post is doing very well, so they show it to more people on Explore page. So the third thing that you could do is cross promotion. This is optional, but it's still good. So what this basically is that you DM pages like yours. Like let's say you have 1,000 followers and you're in the travel niche. You find other pages with 1,000 or more followers that are in the same niche as you, and you DM them asking if you could do like a cross promotion, basically like a shout out for shout out, where you give a little shout out for them on your page and they do the same on their page, and then their followers see, oh, okay, he's shouting out this person, which is your account. Then they could click on your ad and go to your page and check it out, and if they like it, they could follow you. So this is a very good method of getting organic traffic. I recommend to start this when you have 1,000 or more followers. So the fourth thing that you could do is upgrade your captions. So what do I mean by this is that you attention grabbing headlines, like something interesting that is related to the post that you just posted. So most people, you see influencers write a huge article for their caption, but you don't have to do that. You may not have enough time to do that. You could just write an attention grabbing headline that gets people to really either think or stop to read it, and gets them to comment something. So these are very good, because most pages that are a repost page, which reposts other people's content, they do this. You just get a headline and people follow you, or people read it and then they comment something down below. So it's a very powerful thing to do, especially if you're a small page, or even if you're a big page, because then more people can like and comment your posts. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.